we're back, family. We're just gonna wash the chicken now. We already cut it up fine in small pieces. So we're just gonna wash it now with some salt and a piece of lemon. And if you have any vinegar, you can put vinegar in it. Or some orange skin, you can also wash it with a piece of orange skin to get the rawness off. A substitute. We don't have any lemon. So now we're gonna take off some of the slime off it. Clean it up. And take the slime off. This is the slime bit. Take it off. We'll put that aside. And then we're gonna wash it. Okay? You can give it another wash. You can give it 3 wash. In this process, pick off some of this excess slime off it. Clean off some of this slime. I already take off all the skin bits already. The skin came off all of it already because we're gonna curry it, so we don't curry it with the skin. Some people do that, but the proper way is to take the skin off. You know, it's more healthier for you. So we take the skin off, curry it. Okay, family, I'm gonna wash it, and I'm coming back to you in a few. Hi everyone, we're back. Okay, we just finished cutting up the chicken in small pieces and take off the skin, wash it with lemon, and some salt. Okay, so now we're gonna season it up. First we have thyme. I went ahead and cut every seasoning up, all the seasoning. So we have thyme, scallion, sweet pepper, onion. We're gonna put everything in it now. Okay. See, we're gonna put all of the seasoning in it. Onion, scallion, thyme, and sweet pepper, and some carrot and some potato. So we're gonna rub everything up into it now. All of the vegetables we're gonna rub in it first. Then we're gonna grate some ginger. We're gonna peel the ginger off. Peel the ginger off. Then we're gonna wash it and grate it. Put a piece of ginger in it. Ginger go in it so that it doesn't make your belly have any runs, you don't have any diarrhea. That's why I put a piece of ginger in it to give it that taste. Because you know sometimes curry give you upset stomach. You know, some people, you know, when they eat it they have upset stomach. So we put a piece of ginger in it, you know, so that it doesn't give you the runs. That's the reason why I put ginger in it. So we're also gonna put garlic in it. You can put about 3 cloves of garlic, any amount to your delight. I'm just putting in 2 cloves, 2 big cloves of garlic. That will be enough. So now we're gonna rub all of this in it together. Rub everything up together, all the dry seasoning. Then we're gonna put some salt in it. Pinch of salt. Then we're gonna put about 5 or 6 cloves of pimento seed. We're gonna beat that up and put it in it. Gonna rub that up in it also. Then we're gonna put some black pepper. You can put about a teaspoon or so black pepper. Then we're gonna put a pinch of all-purpose, about a tablespoon or so. Then we're gonna put the curry in it now. Sorry about that. Put curry in it. You can put about say 2 tablespoons of curry or so in it, you know. So I'm going to use a spoon because I don't have any gloves. You're supposed to use the gloves or so, you know. But I haven't got any gloves, so you can use a spoon instead. And rub everything up together. So now, when you finish rubbing it up together, I'm gonna put a piece of cling film over it and wrap it, put it in the fridge to marinate for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm gonna cook it. You can put a piece of file paper instead. The cling film won't hold, so you can put a piece of file paper. Put a piece of file paper, and then we're going to put it in the fridge. So see you tomorrow to show you how to cook it, finishing touch. Okay, so like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to put the ingredients in the column for you so that you know how to season it up properly. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook some Jamaican curry chicken and white rice. First, we're gonna hot the pot first. Then we're gonna put some cooking oil in the pot. Let it get hot. Then we're gonna put some curry. We're gonna burn the curry first before we put the chicken in the pot. You have to burn it first. So we put at least 2 teaspoons of curry. Then we're going to make sure that it's burned properly. So we'll put the chicken in. Leave it to burn a little. Okay. Remember, we went ahead yesterday and seasoned up our chicken overnight to marinate. So now we're going to take it out and we're going to cook it. Okay? While it is the curry is burning in the pot, I'm gonna take the skin out, the season out, and put it in the pot. Make sure you take the season out, drop it in the pot. In this process, you can turn the fire down a little so that the chicken doesn't burn, stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay. Family, put all the meat in the pot now, so we're going to stir the pot so that it doesn't burn. Okay, while we're stirring it, we're going to cover it down and leave it to steam, to cook. Okay, for a little while to build its own water. Leave it to steam, turn the fire down a little and leave it to steam down a little to cook. So in the meantime, while it's cooking, I'll be coming back in a minute to show you. Okay now family, we're back. Okay, look at the curry, it's cooking away nicely, very nice. So now in this process, you're going to stir it that it doesn't stick to the butter. Okay, then we're going to add our seasoning in the pot. Put a little first and let it cook. Put a little and let it cook. Then we're going to cover it down a little. Leave it to cook a little. Over here now, you just put the rice on, some white rice, put some butter in it already, and some salt. So we're going to leave it to steam now for a little. Then we're going to come back. Finish with the rest of seasoning in the pot. Leave it to cook another half an hour. Okay? Okay, now family, we are back. We're just gonna put the rest of the seasoning in the pot. Okay? All the seasoning going down in the pot now. Okay? put a little bit more water in it to wash out all the seasoning, all that flavor. Wash it out with a little bit of water. Then throw it down in the pot, okay? So we're gonna keep stirring it. Stirring it. Okay? That it doesn't stick to the butter. In this process now, we're gonna put 1 scotch bonnet pepper in it to give it that flavor. Okay? Let it cook with it for a while. Okay, we're gonna cook down with it. Then we're gonna put some butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. That's 1 to give it the flavor. Okay. Then we're gonna put a little pinch of black pepper. About a tablespoon of black pepper in it. And a little bit more salt. We are back. The curry is cooking nicely. So we're gonna leave it to cook for another half an hour. Okay? Then we're coming back to the finishing product. Okay? See you later. Over here now, family. Curry is cooking away nicely. So in this process, you have to taste it and see if it's cooking. Yes, it tastes very nice. So we're gonna leave it to cook now for another half an hour. Back. Just gonna show you the finishing product. Curry is finished. So now, in this process, you take out all the scallion and the thyme. You took it out already. Put it one side of the pot. So we're gonna dish up some food now. Okay? I'll show you the finishing product. Add a little gravy on the top. See here? You take out all of this scallion, thyme. Put the gravy on top of the rice. Okay? Bring it up nicely. Okay? Got that gravy. So the gravy thick. This is how you want it, thick. Okay, not watery. Thick and nice. So now, you're going to cover the top. Then, over here, we went ahead and fry some plantain. So we're going to put some plantain in it. With a piece of plantain at the side. Put it nicely. 2 pieces. Then we're going to put some coleslaw. We already made coleslaw. I'll show you how to make it. So we're going to put coleslaw at the edge of it. Nicely. Put it nice and neat. So here we have our Jamaican curry and white rice and fried plantain. Okay? I hope you all enjoy this, and thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe.